Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I just want to start off the video by giving a huge thanks to everyone who has liked and subscribed to my channel over the last 7 months. Last couple weeks was pretty cool to see my channel grow quite a bit. So huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed and tagging along with me in my adventure here of tearing apart this 69 Mustang. So please enjoy this next episode of me taking the glass out, and I hope I don't break it. Two. I got trim off around the windshield. That really wasn't all that bad to do that, honestly. It really wasn't that hard. Now the rear window, I'll get to that here in a little bit. But for the front one, I'm gonna first try to tackle, at least get this windshield out here. I still gotta cut the gasket, but there's these tiny little screws right here. That guy right there, and then there's one on that side over there. These guys are frozen inside the cowl. I can't get them out, and I don't have a bit the correct size for the impact driver. So I'm gonna have to drill these out. So I'm gonna go get a drill bit, and I'm gonna drill 2 screws out so I can get these little hooks off, so that way then the windshield can come out, because these are tiny little windshield pads that will probably hinder trying to get the windshield out and cut the gasket all the way out from underneath it. So let's do that and go from there. We're gonna give this a shot today. Got the tool, got my gloves, that way I don't cut myself up. Let's give this a go here. First ever try of removing my own windshield. I don't feel like paying somebody $150 to do something that I can try with a $15 tool from Harbor Freight, some gloves, my glasses in case I don't want to get glass in my eye. So this tool says to go up underneath the glass. That and then pull down on it. Ooh, hard spot. Nice sound, that's for sure. There we go. Clip. It's not letting it go right there, but it's free in my edging. But this split is what I'm worried about, if it's just gonna shatter or split across the windshield. It's not gonna shatter, but you know what I mean. It's just basically just gonna spider web across. There it goes. Okay, as far as I'm gonna push it. So you're gonna wanna push from there, yep. Put your other hand here and just, you're gonna come up here and you're gonna hold it.
It's still stuck.
You think?
Yep, I do.
Okay, hold it right there. This glue is just so... Okay, hold it in place.
I'm holding it.
Lift up. Okay, it's free. Set it down. Okay, there we go. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna pull it to my side. Okay. Can you move this trim piece? I got it. Thank you. There we go. That wasn't bad. It cracks, oh well.
It's not the way of looking at it, but okay.
Okay, I want you to stand straight up. You got it? It's kind of balancing at this exact second, so don't move. We have a 69 Mustang with no rear glass and no front glass now. Pretty cool. I'm actually pretty impressed with the fact that my wife and I were able to get them out there pretty much with no damage, especially the rear one. Came out completely unscathed. Front one came out cracked, but we already knew that the fact it already was previously cracked with something falling on it probably. Now, the next step of the process that I have in my head here was to put the body cart up under the car. But I thought to myself, the fact that the car is very rotted out and it's got a lot of frame damage, I bought a welder. So that welder will serve its purpose because it's not the most fanciest or most expensive one, but it'll do its job by welding in the bracing that it's gonna need to keep this car as square as possible. So please stay tuned for my next episode because it's gonna be of me trying to weld. So it's gonna be a spectacle to watch because I suck at welding. So stay tuned. Please make sure to like and subscribe.